Types of functions. Method to check the injectivity of a function. Case 1. If the function is given in the rule form. Case 2. If the function is given in order pair form. 3. If the function is given in graph form. Step 1. Take two arbitrary elements x, y in the domain of f. Step 2. Put f of x equals to f of y. Step 3. Solve f of x equals to f of y. If f of x equals to f of y gives x equals to y only, then f maps from a to b is a 1-1 function or an injection, otherwise not. If the function is given in the form of ordered pairs, and if two ordered pairs do not have the same second element, then the function is 1-1. If the graph of the function y equals to f of x is given and each line parallel to x-axis cuts the given curve at maximum 1 point, then the function is 1-1. Number of 1-1 functions. Injections. If A and B are finite sets having m and n elements respectively, then the number of 1-1 functions from A to B equals to, for n is greater than or equals to m, defined as npm, for n is less than m, defined as 0. Onto and into functions. Let f maps A to B be a function. If each element in the codomain B has at least one pre-image in domain A. That is, for every B belongs to B, there exists at least one element A belongs to A, such that f of A equals to B, then f is onto or surjective function. If there exists at least one corresponding element in the codomain B, which is not an image of any element in the domain A, then f is into. Methods to determine whether a function is onto or into. If the range of f equals to codomain of f, then f is onto. If the range is a proper subset of codomain, then f is into. Any polynomial function f maps from R to R is onto if the degree is odd, and into if the degree is even. Number of onto function. Surjection. If A and B are two sets having m and n elements respectively, such that 1 less than or equals to n less than or equals to m, then the number of onto functions from A to B is summation r equals to 1 to n minus 1 power n minus r multiplied by ncr r power m. 1-1 onto function or bijective function. The function which is 1-1 and onto both are called 1-1 onto function or bijective function. Observations. Let f maps a function from A to B where A, B are finite sets, then f is 1-1 implies number of elements in A is less than or equal to number of elements in B. F is onto implies number of elements in B is less than or equal to number of elements in A. F is bijective implies and implied by number of elements in A is equal to number of elements in B.